Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will clean the rangefinder on a Canon VL2. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and activate the notifications bell. To see how to remove the top cover, please take a look at my previous video. I will leave a link on the screen. We will start by removing the rangefinder prism holder and then the prism. Now, remove the two screws holding the finder cover. Using a lens air blower, blow the dust from the rangefinder. And then, clean the lenses with a Q-tip and lens cleaning fluid. Using another Q-tip, carefully clean every side of the rangefinder prism. Now, reassemble the prism on the rangefinder unit. Clean and reinstall the finder cover. To reinstall the cover, please follow the procedure in my previous video. I will leave a link on the screen. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.